In a major development in trade relations, the Biden administration is poised to make a significant move that could reshape the electric vehicle market. According to reports, the administration is planning to quadruple tariffs on Chinese electric vehicles, batteries, and solar panels, raising them to nearly 100%. This decision follows a years-long review that began during the Trump administration and aims to address unfair trade practices in the steel and automotive industries. However, there's a loophole that some Chinese companies may exploit: manufacturing EVs in Mexico to avoid tariffs when exporting to the U.S. While Mexico has halted incentives for Chinese automakers, the situation remains complex as both nations seek to balance trade interests. The potential impact of these tariffs extends beyond trade, affecting consumers, manufacturers, and the future of electric mobility. Stay tuned as this story unfolds, and subscribe for more updates on the evolving landscape of electric vehicles and global trade. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit our website for more in-depth coverage of electric vehicles and trade policy.